Hey guys, you're welcome. We are making meat pie. Welcome to Progressive Recipes. In this channel, we'll cook with decorate cakes. We'll do different pastries I know you will love. So feel free to try out our recipes because they are very easy and you can get it 100% at the comfort of your home. Today, we'll start by, after you grate your carrots, you start cutting them. Yeah, if you have a good cutter, beautiful. So the next thing you need your Irish potato. You can see the ones I've already peeled. That's the one I'll be using for this meat pie here. Just cut it the way I have done, or you do it lesser, no problem. And I'll also cut my onions, getting everything ready for the maintain. If today is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome. Thanks a million for joining today. So I'll be using mixed meat. In a clean pot, put some olive oil and you put your onions. You can sprinkle some salt inside and add your mixed meat. Just season it the way you want. Yes, do your maggi, your seasoning cube. I'm using minced herb. If you have curry masala, beautiful curry, thyme, salt, just do your thing. Just spice it the way you want. There is no particular spices for this, but if you can get curry masala, beautiful. If you can't, do your curry, thyme and the rest. So add water and you now pour in your Irish potato when the meat starts changing color to allow it to cook very well. Immediately it starts changing color, as you're saying, add water and you pour in the Irish potato. Turn it very well and allow it to cook. When you check the Irish potato and notice that it's melting, yeah, just check it, press, yes, it's melting now. So feel free to add your carrots. Stir and allow it to cook for just 2 minutes. And your meat pie filling is ready. There is no special ingredients for this, as no special spices, not ingredients for this meat pie filling, so don't forget about that. But as for the ingredients is already there, so for the spices, do you okay? For other ingredients, 1 kg of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, pinch of salt, 400 grams of butter, 2 eggs, and some flour to sprinkle on your surface. 1 for the greasing, just like to rub on the surface of your meat pie, just like on the top of the meat pie, on the back of the meat pie. Evaporated milk and already made filling. Yeah, you need a meat pie cutter, sure. So I'm using my oven tray. I just placed some baking paper. If you don't have a baking paper, please use a little butter, grease your oven tray and you dust with flour. That's all. Put all your dry ingredients together and you add your butter inside and start mixing. Yeah, you keep mixing this, you get a bread crumb texture. Yeah, you heard me. What is inside this bowl right now? We have flour. That's 1 kg of flour, and we have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 400 grams of butter. If you want to be a good baker, you need scale, kitchen scale. You need measuring spoon and measuring cup. Add your 2 eggs and you continue mixing for me. At this point, all you need to do is start dropping. I added 4 eggs, yes, because I'm doing 1 kg. Don't forget about that, not 2. You need to add 4. When you're doing 500 grams, use 2 eggs. So after adding the eggs, you start adding your evaporated milk. Yeah, so if you don't want to use milk, please go with cold water. The milk is already cold. I brought it out from the fridge, so feel free to use your water. But if you make it cold, good. If it's not cold, no problem. It doesn't change anything, but just it adds some beautiful finishing. When you finish making the meat pie, you will see something different between when you use cold water and when you use warm water. So keep sprinkling the milk till you have a soft dough. Please, not a soft dough, a good dough. When the flour disappear and everything looks good in your eyes, you don't need to like fold it, or like mix it like hard as if you're making chin chin. You can see my own is not smooth. Yeah, at this point I'm done. So set it aside and get every other thing set. Right away we'll start molding this meat. Sprinkle a little flour on the surface on your cutter and you start doing. Just turn it a bit in your hand for good rolling out, and you spread it out with your rolling pin. Place on your cutter, grab some filling on top, and you now use your egg and go round the meat pie, your dough, and you cut. Look at that. The cutter does the good job. Just remove excess, place in your baking tray. You don't finish, that's all. So we continue that way and that way and that way. Look at that. Just take your time to study this. Everything about meat pie is easy. You don't need to be a baker to try this. I promise you, whether you're a baker or not, if you can get this ingredient set, if you can get all the things you need, measuring cup, measuring spoon, and a scale, my dear, you're good to go. You make this perfectly without no problem. I promise you. So tell me on the comment section, will you be trying this meat pie? If today is your first time of watching, feel free to like my video, feel free to comment to my channel, feel free to send these videos to someone who want to try this for the children or the family. Everyone can enjoy from this pie. It is indeed a goodness. It's so beautiful and it's nice, and I promise you, you will come back thanking me. So take your time to do all this, because the more you mold, the beautiful it becomes. Yes, you heard me very well. The more your dough is resting, the more the dough, the finishing is becoming beautiful. The first one you mold will not be as beautiful as the third and the fourth and or all the rest. I know what I'm saying, but when you start making yours, you will understand more. So take your time to do this and enjoy what you're doing. At this point, I notice we are almost done, yes. And right away, we still have some fillings in the pot. So I decided this is what we came out with. This is for 1 kg, yes, for 1 kg of flour. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have around 18. So if you cool down and divide it, you can still get up to 20. Yes, I know what I'm saying. You can still get up to 20. I wasn't able to measure it on a norm. If I'm selling, I do scale the dough to make sure everything is equal. So you can see I still got a lot of fillings. So I don't want to like freeze it today. So I decided to make a quick one with 500 grams. Just divide the recipe into 2, and that is it. So I said, make why the other one is baking, I'm just like doing a fast one with 500 grams flour. Yeah, what I mean by 500 grams is because all the measurement I gave you in the beginning is because for 1 kg. Now see what 500 grams got for us. So I'm done. Look at that, everything getting ready. Look at that, isn't this beautiful? Finally our pie is ready. Yeah, very beautiful, nice and shining. Isn't this beautiful? Tell me, have you liked this video? Make sure you like, share this to your family and friends, and feel free to be a part of this channel. Let's check the inside, and so you can see how beautiful it looks that inside. Oh my word, this is beautiful. Thanks for watching. Bye.